Hi, it's Lucas here with YOGABODY, and I'm recruiting future yoga teachers. If you love yoga and you'd like to share it with others, if you'd like a job that could potentially turn into a career and even a purpose in your life, if you'd like to travel and teach and see the world, then I'd encourage you to apply for the Yoga Teachers College. The Yoga Teachers College is the most rigorous program of its kind anywhere in the world. We're internationally accredited and we have a track record for excellence. Let me tell you a little story. Way back in 2003, I left New York City. I'm the quintessential yoga bum. I had all of my belongings packed up in a backpack. I had a passion for yoga and no idea where I would end up. Fast forward all these years later, I've taught yoga now professionally in 7 different countries. I've lived internationally my entire life. I have 3 kids and 3 yoga studios and a passion for my work that I never really thought was possible. You'd be surprised how many opportunities there are for the very few of us who really take this yoga teaching gig seriously. Since 2006, I have been training teachers professionally. I have 4,000 graduates. They're teaching in 41 different countries in 13 languages. And the big difference is we train mind-body fitness professionals. That means no chanting, no chakras, no ohms. We focus on the science of yoga for personal transformation. But now let's talk about you. If you're in a job right now that's just not aligned with who you are as a person, if it's not aligned with your soul, if you dream of finding more purpose and meaning in your work, and if, like me, if yoga is your thing, I'd encourage you to visit our website, watch the video interviews with our graduates and our trainees, read the stories, and see if you resonate and connect with the community that we're building here. Thanks so much for your interest in the Yoga Teachers College. I look forward to reading your application, and I hope to see you in a course very soon.